Hi there. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Kelly Schaffner, and I'm glad that you found my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss a video like this. I do unboxings of mostly subscription clothing, but today I am doing an unboxing of Lyon and Post. And Lyon and Post is not a subscription. This is an online shop. And what I do is I go to their website and I shop their collections and I look at pieces that I would like to try. And they are a try before you buy service. So I really like that. I place in the shopping cart, or they call it a queue, any of their items that I would like to try on. And some of the items I like to try on even though I know they're out of my price range. And someone asked me about that and I said, if I can find a pair of denims that make me look like Miss America, I'd probably spend $200. Lyon and Post will send you 4 items, the top 4 items in your queue if they're available. And I was real excited about this box because I had, at the very top of my queue, I had a winter jacket and some winter items that were actually on clearance, and I did not receive all of those things. They do let me know when they ship, what they're shipping, and so I remember a couple of things that are coming in this box, and we're going to open it up and check it out. I love their packaging. Isn't it beautiful? Every time I receive a box from them, I feel like I'm getting a gift. And you noticed on the top of the box, there's paperwork that tells me all the prices and what to do, so I'll go over that at the end, although I looked at the prices when I ordered these things, but sometimes by the time you receive them, they've gone on even deeper discounts. So the first thing I'll open is this jewelry item, and I love that it's packaged like this, like a gift, and I think it's so beautiful, and it's by the House of Harlow. That's kind of cute. I love the presentation here. And then we have, oh my goodness, those are pretty. Can you see those? They're a post, but they're gonna have something hanging on them. My dog would really like to be in this video, so I'm gonna try those on for you. And let's open up our bundle. Let me show you the bundle. Oh no. Do you see another blue and white striped shirt? This seems to be the item that I am receiving an awful lot of lately. Yes, the blue and white striped shirt. I have received 3 of these. Wow, this is a really long striped shirt. I don't know if I realized that when I ordered this. And actually, this is not blue. This is almost a dark gray. Not that that makes it that much different. This is very similar to the 2 blouses that I have recently received. And, oh, next, cross your fingers here. I have some white denims. These are by Current Elliott. They look to be a skinny. Ooh, they are distressed. And they're not patched, if you can see that. These are actual holes here, and they look thin. I can see the sunlight through them. Boy, let these be the one. Okay. Look at this. I see something black and furry, and I did put this on my wish list. This is a jacket. It feels pretty thin. This is by Jack, by BB Dakota. And, you know, now that I have it here, this really resembles a black furry jacket that I have already, but I have to try it on. Yes, it has pockets. Oh my goodness, does it feel good. So I am so excited to try all of this on for you, and we'll get right back with that. I am in love with this jacket by BB Dakota, this black fuzzy furry jacket. I thought originally that it looked an awful lot like something I have in my closet, But the one in my closet just has, it's real simple, has a zip up the front. It doesn't have this elaborate, but this nice draping lapel. And there are no closures. There's no button, zipper, anything like that to hold it closed. And this does have pockets in it. And I just love everything about this jacket. It feels so awesome. What do you think about this jacket? It is on sale. I'll give you those prices in a minute. Now the rest of it, I'm not so crazy about. I don't know why I ordered this shirt. I think I had no idea it was this long. I feel like I'm wearing my husband's shirt, and this shirt reminds me of one of my English teachers in middle school. She used to wear a lot of turquoise jewelry, and she was very hip and cool for an elderly lady, but I don't think this shirt is me at all. It's just bigger than anything I like to wear. The earrings, are they super cute? These earrings are now mine, and I am still on a hunt for the perfect white pants. These are way too tight. I'll show you. I'm glad I'm wearing a long shirt to actually model these for you, because I am so disappointed. I think that I need to resize with Lyon and Post, because none of their jeans have fit real well, but all of the denims they have sent me are like almost 100% cotton. And I can feel that. There's no give, there's no stretch. And so I think that if I went up a size, I might like them. And I know I have more white jeans on my queue. So Lyon and Post will be sending me some more white jeans. So let's take a look at the prices. 1 second. So I've put on the furry coat to cover up this nightshirt looking thing. And I think I will be keeping this furry coat. I have to refresh myself on the prices. I did want to tell you that Lyon and Post offers free shipping both ways. So I'm going to send the nightshirt and the too tight jeans back. And as soon as they receive my pieces, they'll put 4 more items in the mail for me, and I can do another unboxing for you. One of the cool things that Lyon and Post does is they write a handwritten note. Can you see that? That's actually handwritten. And it says, "Hello, Kelly. Have a wonderful time trying on your new pieces. The Lyro earring is my favorite, and it's super pretty. Enjoy." And they have a hashtag farewell fitting rooms. And so I'll real quick go over the prices. And the tunic, they call this, the Heirloom. I don't think I told you all the brands. This is by Heirloom, the Ellen tunic, and this is only $35.20. So I think my English teacher would probably get this very quickly. The white jeans are called the Stiletto, or they're by Current Elliott. They're called the Stiletto in Sugar Destroy is the color, which is white, and they're only $77.60, and the price tag inside of them says they're $194, so that's a pretty big discount. The House of Harlow Lyra earring is $20.50, that's a pretty good deal, and the Jack by BB Dakota Hattie faux fur jacket in black is $95. Have to think about that. I was excited because it's getting close to the end of the season, but $95 is still a lot of money for a fur jacket and faux fur jacket. And my closet is full of faux fur jackets. I just love them, and my eye is drawn to them. So I have 7 days. I am going to actually sleep on this. I'd love to hear your opinions on this jacket, and it makes me so happy. Thank you so much for joining me once again. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe if you haven't done so already. I really love sharing these boxes with you. Thank you so much once again. God bless you.